them. But none of them time energy we no give them. Them want we things like a feed them. Never want we to rise but we no give feed them. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat.
So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Deepa. Yes, so I keep sharing all of the stuff that I keep getting in my mail. So we are gonna cover some more brands in this video. So this is my first time shopping from AZA Fashions. You must be knowing you get a lot of designer stuff on this website. It's like your Pernia shop. Yes. So yeah, so let's see what we have. This is my first buy. So I purchased a week ago for an upcoming event that I have. Yes, I needed a designer sari. I shared my measurements and all of that. So you can also go for custom made on this. So I'm gonna show you. This came yesterday, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I think you're gonna love it. So it is this sari. Yes. So yeah, let's see. So I have it here. It's from AZA, like I said. Yes. So I'm very excited. I can feel a box, so because it's designer, everything is designer. Let me tell you, you have from 5,000 all the way till some things which are also 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs like that. So if you want to shop for your bridal event and all of that, you can check out this website. It's also an app. So when I found this on discount, yeah, I had to get it. So it's for an event. So let's see what we have. So I'm gonna open this. Yeah, let's see how it is. Yeah. I can see something red. Let's see. So it's a designer outfit. So if you want something very good, and you can also get your custom made, like you can share your details and all of that. So it will be very nice. Yeah, it comes in fitting. I hope so. Yeah, but all the designers that you have in India, you can shop on this website, on this app. Yes, it's very nice. I felt the experience very nice because it came very smooth. So yeah, you can see this beautiful red box. Yeah, so whenever I get anything in these boxes, I'll try to keep in them itself because they stay good like that. They're designer pieces, so I can put in my IKEA cupboards. Yeah, so I put this in this boxes itself, and I remember it's like a sweet memory. So I remember as well, where is it from? So let's see. So you get it in their branding package. So this is the one. It's so beautiful. You can see. Yeah, I'm gonna put a photo right here so that you can see. This. It smells also very good. So it's beautiful. Stylish. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah. So let's see what we have. So I have one. Some package like this. Let's see what is it. Oh my God, it's super tight. Yeah. So gives that bridal kind of energy. So if you spend, it's worth it because you get all these goodies, right? Yeah. So let's see. Oh my God, it's very tight. I think I have to cut it. Yeah. So let's see. So what do we have? So it is, you have a travel size kid. Are you kidding me? So I can see something travel size. So I like this package as well. I can carry my jewelry when I'm traveling. So you have a small gift from them as well. Yes. So the first thing that popped out is the stick-on nails. Sadly, I have, I don't use stick-ons. I have my natural nails. But yeah, it's good for trying. So you have this in the kit. Yeah. And you have this travel size. Oh my God, I needed this. I wanted to carry my moisturizer. I can carry my serums. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I can carry my conditioner in this. Yeah. So anyway, I need 2 bottles of conditioner to, for this hair. Yeah, very nice. So you get this travel size, as a gift. And I can see some more things. You also have, what is this? Clothing fragrance. Oh, this is a fragrance that it's coming. I can put this in my cupboard so that all my clothes smell nice. Yeah, let us see what else we have. We have a smaller one in this. Yeah. So let's see. You won't believe what you have. You have a measuring tape, which is very handy. So that's what you have. You can measure for your clothes and all of that, which is very handy too. But I studied fashion designing, so I have many tapes. But yes, it is very handy for you guys. Yeah. So you have a very good size tape. Yes. So that is what you get in this. So let's see what we have in the sari. So yeah, you have some pamphlets. Yeah, which are very nice. I like to store this in my cupboard. They look very nice. Celebrating you. Yeah, it makes me a small reminder that there was a time that I bought these. Yeah, so it keeps me grounded. I like to store all this. Yes, so let's see. Okay, so now it's the time to open the sari. Yes, very nicely packaged in this. So let's do the unpacking. Okay, so let's see what we have. So we have the thank you for shopping at Aza. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Aza? Yeah. Yes, let's see. So I think in this itself it's going to come. Can you have a cover, another cover? Dude, I'm feeling like I'm opening a gift in a gift in a gift. Yeah, anyway, this is the one. We also have this again in a cover. Let's see. I think I'm going to damage my manicure. Let me open with this. Okay, so this is the sari. Yes, I think you can see. So this is the one. It comes with a stitched blouse. Okay, so this is the sari. It's a floral print, and the good thing about this is you also get this with a sari petticoat. Yes, so this is the one. It's very beautiful. So this is the blouse. So I like floral prints because they then you can accessorize with good with good jewelry like the one that I'm wearing now. It's very good for that. So this is the one. I also have a pre-stitched sari. So you have any occasion coming up. So it's a very light sari. It's a daytime sari. So yeah, this is the sari. It's a pre-stitched sari. It's a very daytime sari, let me tell you. And then I'm gonna show the photo right here of how beautiful it looks. So let's see when I wear this, before I put this video on my channel. If I wore this sari, I'm gonna put the photos right here. But it's a very beautiful sari. You can see the print and all of that. I'm trying my best to show you guys. Okay, so it's a pre-stitched sari and it look very nice in the photos and all, dude. You can wear good jewelry. You can wear choker like this. It look very nice. Yeah, so good. You can also wear good bangles and all of that. I would wear red bangles with this. It will look very nice. So it's a pre-stitched. Oh no, it's not a pre-stitched. It's a proper sari. So yeah, but I can wear it very nicely. The good thing about this is it comes with a petticoat. So it's not a pre-stitched, it's an open sari. You can see the print. So it's okay. I can wear, I'm very good with sari draping. So yeah, this is the sari. If I put a photo right here, you get a better clarity. But the print is very good. So this is what I have from Asa. Okay, so moving on. Next brand, which is local. Yes, it's made in India, is Local Nation. So I'm going to show everything that I have from that. I have one small box and one huge box. So we're gonna see what we have in this. So I'm gonna use this in my upcoming travel. So that time we can see, how I wear this. You're gonna see the photos. Yeah. So for the sari, I'm not sure. Let's see if I wear before that. I'm gonna post. Yeah, but you can check out my Instagram because I wear everything there. Okay. Yeah. So I can see this one. So it's a coordinated outfit. Yes, I remember. So it is this one. It's a very beach number. It's a coordinated outfit. It comes with a crop top. Yes. Comes with a skirt, a shorts. So yeah, it's a skirt come, short. I like the print of this. It's very easy because it's a, good beach number and you have a lot of stretchability. So it would be very easy. You can wear this. Yeah. And another one that I have is, this one is this top. Very nice, yeah. So you have this kimono, top, which is very nice. Okay. So yeah, love it. Yes. So absolutely stunning. And it's till your half length, till here. Yeah. Very nice. I love the design and print of it. Very beautiful. Yeah. So this is another one. You can use this for your other outfits as well as a cover up. Yeah. So you can wear it for your beach outfits as a cover up. So very nice. So this is the one that I have in that box. Let's open the next one to see what we have in this. So yeah, I can see 2 outfits. So let's check what's in this box and what is in this one. So let's see. So in this one, I can see something pinky. Yeah. So this is the top. It's also a coordinated, cord outfit. Yes, cord set. Yes. So it is this one. Yeah. and I would wear this for my, I would wear this for my, what do you say? I would wear this for my airport. Yes, it's very comfortable. It is this top and this, you know, pants, like this bell bottom pants, and I love this, pinky red. It's this bubblegum pink. Yes, very nice. It looks very bright in your photos and all of that. So yeah, very nice. So it is this top and this, coordinated set. Very nice. Okay, so let's check what else we have in this box. So moving on, let's see what else we have. Yes, so I have another one that was missing in my Myntra haul that came late. So I want to show that to you guys. I can see something pink. So let's see. Okay, so it is a pink skirt. Wow, so pretty. So it's from Stylecast and it's a pink satin skirt which is so beautiful, so nice. Yes, so it's a flare skirt. So I have a similar one in black, but I don't have anything in this satin. So it is my first one. It's from Stylecast. Yeah, very nice. Love it. Yes, so this is the next one. It's a plain. You can wear anything. You can wear a white top like this. It would look very nice. You can wear, black. It will look very nice. So very nice. So moving on, let's see what else we have. So this is from TGS Designer. Let's see what we have. It's packaged so tightly, so I can see this nice bag. Yes, so this is the one. So it's a blouse piece, I think so. Yes, which is work. So I need to get this stitched. So yeah, very nice. So I'm gonna get this stitched from my tailor. So yes, it's a blouse piece which I wanted to get it stitched. Yes, so this is from a brand I'm gonna mention right here. So you can get it stitched. Very nice. Yeah, so yeah, it's very nice work, you can see. So yeah, so I wanted to get my hands on this. So very nice. Yes. So I have many bags from this brand. It's from Back at Yours. So I have, when I found this pink bag, oh my god, it was so pretty. Yeah, so I had to get my hands on this. And I'll tell you what I love about this is the 3 slots that it has. So you also have a belt which is so pretty. I love this pink. And the quality is also very nice. It comes with this bow. So when you post for photos and all, it look very nice. So I loved this when she sent me. You also have a back slot, like, back slot, you can put something. Yes, so I would put my hotel cards and all in this. Yes, and it comes with 3 slots, so you can divide. I would put one makeup, one all my essentials, one my cards, money, and all of that. So I loved this bag. It's absolutely stunning. It's one of, like, it gives you that branded kind of feel. And what I love about this is the the pink bow that it has. Very nice. So this attracted me a lot. Yes. So moving on, I have from another brand is this Marcel&Mae. So M&M. It's not like a chocolate, but yes. So let's see what all I have from them. Yeah, let's see. I can see something pink again. It's all about the pink mania. Let me tell you, in photos and all, it looks very nice, this pink. Okay. So let's see what we have. Okay, so very nicely packaged. You have this Ziploc cover. So let's see. I'm gonna show you guys one by one. Okay. So the first one I can see is a red number. So it is this red top. Yeah, very nice. It's a coordinated set. I'm gonna show you guys the skirt. So I have 2 outfits from them. It's a coordinated set. So you can wear this anywhere. It is this red top. So I can wear this red top for my other outfits as well. But I like to keep, wear coordinated. It is this skirt, very nice skirt. Yeah, so yeah, it is this coordinated set. I think by the time I edit this video, you will see me wear it. It is till your knee length, till your ankle length, and it also has a slit for you to walk easily. It's very stretchy. So this skirt you can wear with other outfits as well. So let's see, in my upcoming travel, I'm gonna wear this. Very nice, stunning. It's absolute, and it's very, it's not so, expensive as well. So the next one I have is this pink one. It's a pink satin one. It's similar to the skirt that I showed you, but this is like a magenta pink. Yeah. So it is this skirt, and let me tell you, the skirt has a symmetric. Wait, I'll show you the top skirt first and then the top. So it is this one. Yeah. So you have the, zip and all of that. Very nice. And down you have this cut, like you have this U-shaped cut. Yeah. I hope I'm showing it. So when I wear it here, you're gonna get an idea. It is this U-shaped cut that this has. Very nice, yeah, and very nice. It's plain, so it look very nice in the photos and all of that. It's very comfortable as well. Somewhere where it's not so hot, not so cold, you can wear it. Yes. And this one, it comes with an extra lining as well, the top, so it's very nice. So if you wear your strapless bra, that's enough. And behind you have the shirring material. So this is the top. You can see how nice it looks, and it has this, you know, that U-shaped down cut. Yeah, so very nice. This is the one. So this are the two coordinated outfits which I got, you know, of lately. When I wore my coordinated outfit here when I was in Gawala, you know, everybody loved it. So yes, so this come in very handy and they look very nice. So let's see if I wear them in my upcoming travel. So yes, that's about it for this video. So stay tuned for my next video wherein I show more such outfits and more such products and all of that. Yes, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.